As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Axie cost will hit $8 by the center of 2023 and afterward $12 toward the finish of 2024. Axie will ascend to $15 inside the extended time of 2025, $20 in 2027 and $25 in 2031. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $7. So the cost expanded by 17% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.69 and the year-to-year change plus 45%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 24%. In 2023, we hope to see $8.21 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $11.30 in the last part. The cost would add $1.26 and close the year at $12.56, which is plus 79% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months: Thursday, May 11th, $7.03, Friday, May 12th, $7.05, Saturday, May 13th, $7.08, Sunday, May 14th, $7.10, Monday, May 15th, $7.12, Tuesday, May 16th, $7.15, Wednesday, May 17th, $7.17, Thursday, May 18th, $7. The 19th of June, $7.86, July 15th, $8. The 25th of August, $8.33, September 15th, $8.41, October 15th, $8.49. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $12.56 to $24.72, which is up 97%. Axie will begin 2025 at $12.56. Then take off to $13.51 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $15.54. That implies plus 122% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $24.72 to $29.38, which is plus 19%. Axie will begin 2030 at $24.72, then, at that point, dip to $23.24 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $24.55. It is about plus 250% from today. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.05. So the cost expanded by 51% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.38 and the year-to-year change plus 156%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 70%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.61 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.72. In the final part, the cost would add $1.45 and close the year at $18.17, which is plus 101% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.17 to $29.46, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.17, then dip to $17.65 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $20.30. That implies plus 124% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $29.46 to $42.34, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $29.46, then take off to $31.23 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.99. It is about plus 264% from today. 0401 2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.42. So the cost expanded by 40% from the very start of the year. The gauge Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.05 and the year-to-year change plus 151%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 79%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.38 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.37 in the last part. The cost would add $1.42 and close the year at $17.79, which is plus 111% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.79 to $28.81, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.79, then dip to $17.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.87. That implies plus 136% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $28.81 to $41.41, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $28.81, then take off to $30.54 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.26. 0315 2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.76. So the cost expanded by 46% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.75 and the year-to-year change plus 163%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.86 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $17.51 in the final part. The cost would add $1.33 and close the year at $18.84, which is plus 115% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.84 to $34.82, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.84, then take off to $22.23 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $25.56. That implies plus 192% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $34.82 to $46.27, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $34.82, then, at that point, take off to $36.91 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $38.99. 0301 2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.93. So the cost expanded by 66% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $19.76 and the year-to-year change plus 229%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 99%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $21.96 in the final part. The cost would add $1.